Hello, how are you? My name is Giselle, and I know you've been searching for what can you do with electrical engineering degree, right? Now, I'm just going to get straight into it. There are a host of things that you could do with electrical engineering degree. Now, I live in the Caribbean, and I have worked as an electrical engineer for the past 10 plus years. Now, there are different industries you could get into: the manufacturing industry, manufacturing any sort of product, any sort of product, because those factories require electrical systems to run smoothly, right? You could also apply to the more heavy types of industries depending on what country you live in, like those industries that process oil and or the byproducts of oil. You could also work with a service company that services these factories and industries, right, to do their maintenance and repairs on their controls systems, their power systems, their instruments, their fire and gas and other safety systems, right? You can also get a job with a mechanical contractor. I bet you probably haven't thought about that. Now, a mechanical contractor, in terms of one that builds plants and factories, they are usually given the entire contract to execute. So in order to do the electrical part of the contract, they obviously have to give it to the experts. Now, in order for them to basically deliver that project properly, they need to manage that electrical contractor, and you could be the one working for the mechanical contractor, overseeing the electrical contractor. So that's something for you to consider. You can work in the public utilities sector, for example, state enterprises that may supply electricity, water, heat, telecommunications, etc. Right? So those are great examples of what you can do with electrical engineering degree. Now, I assume you are asking that question because you probably have finished your degree and you've applied everywhere and you're waiting on a job and you're wondering where else you could apply. Now, it took me 6 to 7 months to find a job after getting my degree, and that was 10 plus years ago, and I imagine today it is more difficult, right? So what I want to tell you is, over the years I have actually done a home-based business alongside with my job in my spare time, and that has afforded me things that I really want to do. So don't be fooled. Not because you're an electrical engineer means that you'll get a high salary right away, or your salary would be enough to do all the extra things that you want to do. Most of us who work a career don't have enough money from that career to do all the extra things, and I have actually found a way to do it through my home-based businesses, and I've actually transitioned out of electrical engineering. As of 2 years ago, I started my online home business career 2 plus years ago, and it's been fun, and my friends and I are having a blast, obviously because we have money and time freedom now. So if this is something that you are remotely interested in, to help you fill a financial need now, or to contribute towards your bills while you study that degree, as well as to probably help you pursue your passions, then you could click the link below or the button below, whichever one you see. Put in your email address. We won't spam you. You will just get information on the business that we are doing, and then you could make a decision from there. So good luck in your career, and if you click the link or the button, enjoy. Thanks for listening.